Hello everyone. Today let's go over a medium question that I solved a while back. This one is called replace elements in an array and it's a medium question, so let's go over it. So you're given a zero indexed integer array and then a matrix of integers where what they want you to do is replace this number with this number if the first zeroth indexed number occurs inside of the input. And if it doesn't occur, then just don't do anything. So here you can see replacing 4 with 7, replacing 6 with 1, and that's it. Seems 2 stays the same. So let's go ahead and code this up. And let's call this s equals to set of nums because we don't want to have to check nums every time linearly. For O in operations, if O of 0 is in S, then, or let's just do a brute force first. So if O of 0 is in nums, then current is nums.index O of 0, nums current is equal to O of 1, and then return nums at the end. So that technically works, but it's really, really slow because you have to find the index and you have to make sure that it exists in nums anyways. So a better way to do this would be using a hash map. Okay, so let's call this counter of nums. That creates a dictionary with the values and the frequencies. And then let's say if O of 0 is in C, then we can do this. So C of nums cur minus equal to 1. If C of nums of cur is equal to 0, then delete it. C of nums cur plus equals to 1. So that's going to make it O1 because this is a hash map, except this might still take some time, which is another O of n. So the indexes are not, so let's see if we can map the index. So it already says it's distinct, which is great. So let's say, let's create another dictionary list, iterate over nums. Let's say d of n dot append I. And so this is the value. So let's say d of nums of cur dot pop. Or actually we can just, dot pop because they're already unique. So d of nums of cur dot pop. If d nums of cur, d nums of cur dot append current. Right? So okay, so d of O0 is going to hold the index. O of 0 is the value. We might not even need this because so if it's in D, let's print our dictionary out. Zero, zero, because there are, what? Let's print current. So we get the list. So let's say 0. Nums of cur dot pop. And that should work, okay? Because we're just storing the value as the key and the index as the only one, because it can only appear in one index, right? And as you can see, it passes all test cases. It's not the most efficient, but it is my own solution, so I'm pretty proud of that. And thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.